Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. This is Mr. Reed and today we'll continue our grammar lesson. It is about adverbs and prepositional phrases. It is for grade 2. Today we'll continue pages 143 and 145. Let's start. An adverb or a prepositional phrase can tell when or where an action takes place. Last lesson, we have studied that adverbs and prepositional phrases, they tell how about the verb. Today we'll study they can tell when or where an action takes place. First, we will talk about adverbs. Some adverbs tell when about the verb. For example, we visited our grandmother yesterday. So when did they visit their grandmother? The answer, yesterday. So yesterday, it is an adverb that tells when about the verb. My father had arrived first. Next we came. So when had the father arrived? First. First also, it is an adverb that tells when about the verb. The same for next. Next, first, yesterday, they are adverbs. They tell when about the verb. Some adverbs tell where about the verb. For example, he stood near the door. So where did he stand? Near the door. Near, it is an adverb that tells where about the verb. The dog wandered far from home. Far also, it is an adverb. It tells where about the dog. Where about the verb. Prepositional phrases tell when or where an action takes place. You have to know that the prepositional phrases, they are preposition plus noun or preposition plus pronoun. For example, we went on Saturday. On Saturday, it is a prepositional phrase. We have the preposition on, and Saturday, it is the noun. So this prepositional phrase tells when about the action. We went to the park. So where did they go? To the park. To the park, it is a prepositional phrase. It tells where about the verb. Now we will revise about proper nouns. A proper noun can name a specific person, place, or thing. It always begins with a capital letter. So all proper nouns must start with capital letters. Always capitalize the pronoun I. So always you have to capitalize the pronoun I, even if it is in the middle of the sentence. I will go to Syria in March. I, the pronoun I is capitalized. Syria is a specific place. March, it is the month. The second example, Sami and I study in a Risala International School. You can see that even if I in the middle of the sentence, we have to capitalize it. Sami, it is a proper noun that names a specific person. A Risala International School, it is a proper noun also that names a specific place. Thank you, my dear students, for your listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.